Welcome back to Reggae Roots Market. Jamaican food is vibrant and full of flavor. It's a delicious fusion of cultures and influences. It's got African roots, a touch of European flair, and a sprinkle of Asian inspiration. What's not to love about a plate of food that's bursting with sunshine and good vibes? From the smoky aroma of jerk chicken to the sweet and spicy kick of jerk pork, Jamaican cuisine is a treat for the senses. It's about fresh ingredients, bold spices, and a whole lot of heart. Jamaican food is more than just a meal, it's an experience. It's about sharing good food with good people. It's about the warmth and hospitality of Jamaican culture. It's about bringing people together through the love of delicious, hearty food. Jamaican cuisine has a special place in London's heart. It arrived in the city with the Windrush generation. These brave individuals journeyed across the ocean, bringing their traditions and flavors with them. Since then, Jamaican food has become a beloved part of London's culinary landscape. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of Caribbean culture in the city. Today, Jamaican restaurants are dotted across London. You'll find them tucked away in bustling markets, on busy high streets, and in cozy neighborhood corners. Each one offers a taste of Jamaica's vibrant culture and flavor. It's a testament to the power of food to connect people across cultures and continents. Londoners have a real appetite for Jamaican cuisine. The demand is high, and it's only getting bigger. People can't get enough of those bold flavors and vibrant dishes. It's no surprise, really. Jamaican food ticks all the boxes. It's delicious, it's satisfying, and it's perfect for sharing. Supermarkets are catching on too. They're stocking their shelves with more and more Jamaican products, also available at Reggae Roots Market. It's a clear sign that Jamaican food has gone mainstream. This growing demand presents a fantastic opportunity for aspiring restaurateurs and food entrepreneurs. Show some love to Reggae Roots Market. London is hungry for more Jamaican flavors. Thanks for watching.